Hello. How to work out a percentage increase or decrease. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to work out the multiplier for a percentage increase or a decrease. To work out the percentage increase or decrease, we can follow these steps. First, work out the percentage the way we did the first time. Then we add it on to increase or take it away for a decrease. Here's an example. We want to increase $120 by 15%. So we can work out 15% of 120 by converting our percentage to a decimal, multiplying it by quantity to get our answer of 18. Add that onto our original amount, and we come up with a final answer of $138. This method is fine and works well, but could cause problems later on. We can do it another way using multipliers, which is much quicker. So let's look at example 1 again. Example 1 is to increase $120 by 15%. Now, if we think of the $120 as being the original 100%, we want to add onto that original price an extra 15%. So another way of looking at that is that we have 100% plus 15% equals 115%. Then using our normal conversion of 115% to a decimal gives us a multiplier of 1.15. Now we can just calculate 1.15 times 120 gives us the same answer of $138. Now, this may seem a little more complicated, but most of it can be done in your head, and it really does make it a quicker problem. Here are some more examples that we'll do step by step, and you'll probably find that you can do the first two steps in your head. First one, we will increase 130 by 12%. So we're increasing, so it's 100% plus 12% equals 112%. We convert 112% to a decimal to be a multiplier. Then we multiply our multiplier 1.12 by 130 to come up with our answer. Here's the next one. You have a go yourself. Press pause now, have a go, and then I'll give you the answer when you finish. Now you've finished, here is the answer. So we increase our percentage to find our new percentage, 123%. Convert that to find our multiplier, or 1.23. Multiply that by our original amount, gives us an answer, 307.5. How'd you go? Good. Here's another one. Again, pause, work it out, and come back. Here are the steps. Increase 100% by 3%. Divide by 100 to get our decimal multiplier, and multiply the multiplier by our original quantity. Getting better? One more try. and we're increasing it by 86% on top of our original 100, so that gives us 186%. Dividing by 100, we have our multiplier 1.86, which we can then multiply by our original amount, 62, and it gives us an answer of 1,045.32. When we are decreasing, what do you think we'll do? We add on the percentage to 100 for increases. So for a decrease, we need to subtract the decrease away from 100%. Here are some more examples. We'll do the first one together. Decrease 130 by 6%. So we take away our 6% from 100% to give us our new percentage of 94%. Dividing by 100 gives us our multiplier, 0.94, which we then multiply by our original quantity of 130 to find our new decreased amount, 122.2. Try this one. It's decreased. Good. 100% minus our discount amount, 34%, leaves us with 66%. Dividing that by 100 to get our decimal multiplier, multiplied by our original amount, gives us a discount amount of 495. Here's another one. Have a try yourself. In this case, it's a very large decrease, 94%. So that only leaves 6% of the original amount. Okay, we convert that to our decimal, 0.06. Multiplying by our original amount leaves us with 1.02. As you see, our original amount was 17. Our final amount is only 6% of that, which is 1.02. Good to look at the answers and do a mental estimate to see whether you have made the right calculation. One more example for you. Notice this is a very small decrease. Finished. 100% minus 0.3% leaves us with 99.7%. Divide that by 100, gives us our multiplier 0.997. When this is multiplied by our original amount, the final answer is 237.286. Okay, it's just a small decrease, it's only a little bit less than